Hi guys, Dr. Sagar Abhichandani here. After so many videos coming out from our Lokhandwala clinic, here comes a session from our Chembur center, which I'm sure most would have already noticed. The topic for today is a pageant winning smile. If you're a fan of beauty pageants or aspire to be one contemplating the same, you know that one of the hallmarks of a winning look is a dazzling smile. Beauty pageant contestants globally make flawless look easy. When it comes to, of course, their smiles. But have you ever wondered how it's done? So the secret to a beautiful pageant winning smile is often a combination of a sparkling personality and a highly skilled cosmetic dentist. Very few are born with an absolutely perfect smile. So what do we have in store for the rest? Modern advances in cosmetic dentistry can correct many of the imperfections that keep people away from smiling with confidence. Many pageant contestants turn to their dentist to help them look their absolute best, not just on the stage, but thereafter as well. Correcting the tooth shape and position. The enviable straight, well-aligned teeth of beauty pageant winners can often be achieved through orthodontics or restorative procedures or a combination of both. Again, not everything can be done for everyone. The case selection is a must, and your dentist must be well trained to handle different challenges every unique case presents with. Invisalign is a very popular choice for adults to achieve a straighter smile without dealing with the hassles of traditional metal braces. Invisalign does take several months of time and commitment to straightening your teeth. The average treatment duration is about 8 months to 18 months. Porcelain veneers are often advised and selected by the patients because in just few dental visits, you can leave with a straighter, whiter smile which you always wanted and dreamt about. Unlike Invisalign and braces, veneers do not straighten your teeth because they are just thin porcelain shells that fit discreetly and permanently over your natural teeth. So my dear friends, don't just go blindly by what you see or hear over the internet. Choose an experienced cosmetic dentist who will know what would be the best solution in the long run, not just for your teeth, but also for your oral health. Correcting tooth discoloration. Tooth staining or discoloration can often be corrected with teeth whitening. But in some cases where the staining or discoloration is not just superficial but is deeply ingrained, an option of restorative or a cosmetic correction with composites, ceramics might be suggested, looking at what the case demands. Correcting teeth gaps or cracks. Gaps, cracks, chips in your teeth can be corrected with dental bonding or porcelain veneers. Both can be color matched to your natural smile for a more naturally looking smile. Important is what is best suited for that specific case. Correcting a gummy smile. When too much of your gum tissue is visible in your smile, it is often called a gummy smile and can detract from your overall appearance. With gum recontouring or aesthetic lip repositioning or non-invasive procedures like Botox, fillers, in combination with the treatment modalities involving the teeth, you can achieve a more balanced look to your smile. Once again, I would like to suggest you to make an informed decision in choosing your cosmetic dentist first before deciding on which correct treatment plan to choose thereafter. Achieving a beautiful, natural looking smile. Cosmetic dentistry can enhance and accentuate your natural beauty by correcting the flaws you see in your smile. With an experienced dentist, your result should blend seamlessly with your natural features. Remember guys, cosmetic dentistry isn't just for pageant participants. Of course it is for them, but not just for them. Today in this aesthetic driven world where Everyone loves to click a selfie and spend so much on their skin care. Smile care, dental care, oral care constitute an equally important aspect that shouldn't be left ignored. You too can have a smile of your dreams and face the world with the confidence that a pageant winner does. Gift yourself a smile to be proud of that would inadvertently bring a smile on someone else's face as well. Dr. Sagar Abhichandani signing off. See you on the other side. Take care.